Today, the NGFS publishes two more documents. First, a set of reference scenarios together with a guide to climate scenario analysis for central banks and supervisors. Sarah Bringen, thank you so much for your outstanding leadership. Second, a report examining the possible effects of climate change on monetary policy. Sabine Mauder, thank you so much for putting this all-important subject squarely on the agenda.
Changes to our climate that we are seeing are unprecedented, and to understand the economic costs and the financial risks that they bring, we need to look forwards, not backwards. If we act now, there is a good chance that we might keep global warming to well below 2 degrees. But if we ignore the risks, the potential economic costs and financial risks that we see could be catastrophic. Central banks and supervisors need to prepare for those future possible states of the world. And scenario analysis allows us to do exactly that, to explore the potential impacts and exposures that arise under different assumptions about how the climate and about how climate policy evolves. I'm therefore thrilled that today the NGFS is publishing a set of reference scenarios and a guide to scenario analysis. They are an important addition to our analytical toolkit, and by helping identify now the actions that we can take to reduce these future costs and risks, we can make a real difference. These are only the first steps in this important journey. We will continue to develop and enhance this analytical toolkit, and we ask everyone, not just central banks and supervisors, to engage with us on this critical work.
No matter the scenario we find ourselves in, climate change will have a profound effect on the global economy. It could disrupt global supply chains, lead to output losses and new consumption patterns. In terms of inflation, a key yardstick for central banks, we may see a rise in volatility and more frequent revisions in inflation expectations. In our report on climate change and monetary policy published today, we have identified the key channels through which climate change is likely to affect our monetary policy deliberations. That marks an important step. Going forward, we will now need to adjust our economic models and forecasting tools, pushing ahead with our very ambitious research agenda, which we also outlined today. At the NGFS, we are ready to embrace this challenge. Please join us on this path. Thank you.